Friends, welcome to my channel @Arts Young Techno. So don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe also. In this video is about interesting facts about animal. So let's start.
Interesting animals facts. Animals are multicellular, aerobic, eukaryotic organisms that are unable to produce their own food and depend on other plants and animals for food. They typically dwell freely in the region of their choice and reproduce sexually. Animals like dogs and cats can be quite aggressive in defending their territory, even engaging in physical conflict with other animals. The largest mammal in the animal kingdom is the blue whale, a stunning oceanic creature. They can weigh anything between 130 and 150 tons and have warm blood. Despite their small size, squirrels are extremely important in the worldwide planting of thousands of trees. The little acorns and seeds that they bury all over the place help to increase the amount of greenery,